Welcome, fellas and felacitas. It's time for a new episode for Revive Chat, and it's time for questioning, and you should answering. That's what I'm looking for. So, look at this.
What a great day to be alive!
If we go around the car, so there it is. We have several spots I need to address, right? And the good thing would be if I don't do any big major mistakes, or do it the right way, or better, do it the quick way, do it the way it turns out the best, you know? So that's what I'm looking for. That's the reason why today I am questioning and you should answering. So every knowledge you have about my following questions, please just bleep bloop it down, and I get an overview what I can do with your expectations, informations, and things I have to turn it upside down the right way. So let's get around the car. We have, especially in the front, big fights in the past, as you can see. I don't like the way it looks right now, and even I don't like it's getting rusty. And if it's starting that way, it will turn out in the future the way with holes, the way with weight production, right? So what is your thought about how we can get it straight back in the way it was factory? And I don't speak about just put another fender on it. I don't like it because you don't never get the right matching beautiful color, right? So it is what it is. How I can get out this big dent? That's the question. I can tell you, just give it something with the make it happen. But will it turn it out soft and beautiful? I don't know. I will also show you the other big dent. Maybe I have to address different ways, you know? So that's a little one, that's another little one, and that's a big one. Even finished with a big dent, not right in the fender, under the window screen. I guess this one might be not possible to get it out, at least for me right now. You can get in there with a hammer or something like that. Maybe I get this little corner out and then get some sandpaper, get some maybe fiberglass and put it on, and then get the right color, right? But I don't want to put all this round with fiberglass, with filler, something like that. I'm not happy with that. So please don't tell me, and I know someone will. Don't tell me, just fill it up, sandpaper it, and give it a shiny finish with a also this one. I know, yes, you don't have to tell me. I have to put on for sure some matching color. That's for sure. But I'm questioning about how get it out smoothly, softly, easily. you know, that. I guess this one is also not fixable without filler, sandpapering, and new color, right? Next question. How do you address your plastic bumper? How we can make it shiny again? Next topic on the list, the beautiful Toyota experienced center console. It does not work anymore. So how you fix that? As you can see, it's loosey lefty and no righty tighty. So the whole deck lid is coming apart. What do you think? Just glue it on? Or what is the deal? Get some screws? Get some nuts? What is the perfect deal to fix that? And as I mentioned, guys, I don't want to buy a new one. I don't. Probably I should do. No. If anyone is knowing this little switch, please tell me. What is he doing? Yes, you got me in a different perspective. But it's not because of me, it's because of the headliner laying on my head. How you fix the headliner? Is there a special glue? Is there a special way to put the headliner back on the deck lid on the roof again? Because now, as you can see, there are some wooden pieces just holding the headliner somewhere on the top. It's horrible. Over there as well. Just horrible. Look at this mess. Look at this mess. I don't want to like it that way. It should be glued back on the roof. So tell me, what can I do? And guys, you know the deal. I don't want to buy a new headliner. For sure. Don't do that. What do you think how it turned out my work today? I get all the foam off the fiberglass FRT top, but there's still some very old glue on the top, the yellow one, the brown yellow one, as you can see. Have you any experience with this issue? How I can do it, make it, bring it the shiny way? All right. The list is long. The list is long. What is the best way to address all this black stuff along the plastic inside of the car? What is the best way? Just tell me. Dashboard is looking pretty decent, but overall, right there, there's some black stuff on it. Like I'm said, yeah. 10-inch lift kit. Nope. What do you think about my ventilation? Driver's seat got ventilation and weight production. What do you think we can do? So we have some material issue, I would say. Maybe I just pretend to don't look at it? I don't know yet, but please tell me there isn't a way to bring it back, because even my handle is stucking right here. So we need to address that. So what can I do? Is there a special foam I can put in and just get some stitches? I don't know. And yes, the special FRT top. So it turned out the color is usually matching with the frame, with the body, but we got some sunburned head on it. What can I do? Tell me. And even in the Landcruiser sign, I saw different ways. So I guess usually it's a blue lantern way. My one is now white. So what is the white way factory wise? And which color do you choose? Please look it down, please. I'm begging for your experience. As you can see, here is some blue left. And I think factory wise, it was a blue tone letter. Please look it down, please. What are you doing with the rails of your rear sliding windows? They are looking horrible. They are full of junk. And today I put some grease in it to let the windows sliding a little bit lighter. But it's looking horrible. Take a big brush, or what are your thoughts? And last one. Is there any way to bring the decals back after 30 years of sunburning here in Spain? Or is there a way to get a factory kit of decals I can put on? New rich ones, which are matching like factory wise? Is there any way? Please tell me. And last but surely not least, how is the way to bring the car shiny, back on shiny? What do you use to polish your beautiful car, your beautiful color? How is there a way to bring it back to very shiny condition? As you can see, I would like to assume the color is not that bad. Yes, some itchy and scratches, but the color is not in a bad shape like you see Arizona, Utah, Texas cars, right? Nevada cars. The color isn't bad. What would be the best way to get a really good shine on her? And fellas and felacitas, there are a lot of questions. Last one, fast one. Are those ones factory or not? Just please bloop it down. And don't tell me you don't know it. I should know you should know, and I should know, we all should know it's the right way to go, right? Oh, thanks for answering. That was a questioning out of my perspective. I will read all your answers down the comments, and coming back with hopefully the best way we can all fix all issues, fix the right way. Okay, so stay tuned. Thanks for have a look on my questions. Please share, like, subscribe, and see you next time for the next episode here on, what was it called? Dummy Num Dum Bump? I forgot.